Good morning, children. Welcome in today's class. Today, we will discuss some of the famous monuments of our country. Before starting the class, let's have a quick recap of what we studied in the previous class. In the previous class, we discussed the meaning of heritage, then the kinds of heritage. There are two types of heritage, natural and cultural heritage. Natural heritage means which comes from nature, which includes forest, animals, rivers, mountains, desert, valley, animal, etc. Cultural heritage, which is related to our culture or which is passed down to us by our ancestor. These heritage, they are man-made, like monuments or buildings, coins, pillars and rock inscriptions, poetry, painting, dancing, food, cloth we wear. So all these are the part of our cultural heritage. Then the significance of monuments for a country. These monuments, they show the progress through the ages. India has a glorious past and it has a vast bank of grand and magnificent monuments. Now, these monuments, they attract tourists from the foreign country, which help the government to earn taxes, and it is a part or they get revenue from that, from the taxes or the tickets which the tourists have to pay before entering in these monuments. So this we discussed in the previous class. Now let's move to the monuments of India. The first monument, which is Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is the highest stone tower in India. It is a famous landmark of Delhi. It was started in 1199, means 1199, by Qutbuddin Aibak and was completed by Iltutmish, his successor and son-in-law, जो उनके दामाद थे. The tower is wide at the bottom and becomes narrow. नीचे से वो चौड़ा है और ऊपर जाते जाते पतला हो जाता है, narrow हो जाता है as it goes higher. It is 72 meter high and has 379 arcular steps, means there are total 379 arcular steps. It has 7 stories and each story is separated by a balcony, जहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं. The inner walls of the Qutub Minar are beautifully inscribed with quotes from the Quran. Quran is holy book of Muslim community. Inscribed means the quotes, they are written on the wall, inner wall of the Qutub Minar. Next comes Char Minar. The Char Minar, a gateway with 4 towers. It is a monument and mosque in Hyderabad, India. The structure was built in 1591 AD. It is the famous building of Hyderabad and also one of the most famous buildings in India. It was built by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah to celebrate the end of a deadly disease called plague. It was an epidemic, just like COVID-19. COVID-19 is declared as pandemic Epidemic means Mahamari, which had killed thousands of people, and when this disease it was eradicated, जब ये ख़त्म हुई थी तो the Charminar was built by Quli Qutub Shah. The Charminar lies near the bank of the river Musi. It is close to Lad Bazaar and Makkah Masjid. Charminar is taken from two words, चार and मीनार. अगर आप इसको ट्रांसलेट करते हैं तो चार मीन्स फोर, मीनार मीन्स टावर. So it has four towers and it is one of the famous mosques in Hyderabad. Now let's talk about the third one, which is Gol Gumbad, the second largest dome in the world. Gol Gumbad is situated in Bijapur. It is the mausoleum of King Muhammad Adil Shah. Adil Shah belongs to Adil Shah dynasty. The construction of the tomb located in Vijaypur, Karnataka, India. It was started in 1626 and completed in 1656. The name is based on Gol Gumbata, derived from Gol Gumbad, meaning circular dome. It follows the style of Indo-Islamic architecture. Even a slight whisper by someone, अगर कोई धीमे से भी इस गैलरी में बोलता है, it can be heard everywhere else in the gallery, and if somebody claps, the sound of it echoes several times. Now the fourth one is Taj Mahal, one of the seven wonders of the modern world. Taj Mahal is a dream carved out of white marble and studded with gemstone. It is situated in Agra near the bank of river Yamuna. It was constructed by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the beloved memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. The construction of Taj Mahal took around 20 years. The tomb is the centerpiece of a 17-hectare complex which includes a mosque and a guest house and is set in formal gardens bounded on three sides. The beauty of the Taj Mahal is unmatched. It took around 22 years and 22,000 men to complete it, and it is it is the one of the seven wonders of the modern world. That's all for today's class, children. We'll discuss next monuments in the next class.